Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Today's video I'll paint a storefront by using ink and watercolor. First thing first, I want to show you my new art supply that I just got. What is this? Yeah, it's a paintbrush holder. It has around 49 holes, making it easy to select your brushes and any other stuff you put. Quite convenient, I think. Recommend you guys to buy one. Anyway, let's move to our main topic today. We gonna follow this picture as a reference. I'll put link in description if you are interested to look. We begin with sketching process by simply drafting all the elements without too much detail. If you look at the label on the hangover of the store, you can see it written in Japanese, which means a coffee shop named Enoden, located somewhere in Japan. I really like this exterior, especially the various plants and flowers in pots and the AC outdoor unit pop out there. Because normally we hanging the AC on the wall at the back of the house, but cities in Japan are quite more crowded, so AC outdoor unit is more common to put at the storefront. It looked kinda cute to me. We don't want to waste too much time, so just draw the leaves of the plants very simply. And we will be more detailed later when we are inking. Here how I draw the roof with the easiest way. We draw the line more and more obliquely as they get closer to one side, and draw the horizontal line first before draw the roof tie bumps. And ta-da! Here we go! Now let's start our inking process. I'm using this waterproof Manga ink with this ruling pen. We need to dip in ink frequently to use this pen. It is a bit tiring, but with this pen can make our line look more dynamic. Thin and thick change to make better look. As you can see here, I'm drawing more detail than the sketching process because it really affects the result of the painting. That's it! Now we remove all the pencil draft to start painting. And once again, I'm using Mijello color paint because I'm already used to this palette and admire its quality. Oops! I forgot to finish the roofing here. Let me add it all done before I continue. I'm using light brown color for the first layer of the brick roof and leave white space where the tiles protrude. And here I'm using blue color to add shadow of the roof, but in combination of the two colors it becomes a little bit green color instead. And now we keep adding more and more layers to make car pop up. Now for the next step, I put masking fluid on the word label in order not to cover all the paint on the work. So it says to paint now. And also you need to blend green and blue color together to make this mint color. Time to paint the brick wall. Here I apply light yellow for back color and wait it to dry enough before paint brick by brick. Here we add another rich orange color to the roof. And we start to paint the brick texture by using rich orange color. After that, we apply blue color for the shadow under the roof. Next one, we gonna remove the masking fluid. Since the bird not clean enough, I'm using white poster color to write on it more. Now we arrive at the final step. I'm using Pentel black brush pen to draw a line and make it clear. Uniformly emphasize the lines on the lower and right corner. Here's the result. What do you think? I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thank you for watching. Bye! If you're interested in painting videos, don't forget to check out my channel. Hope to see you next time.